Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by collecting the essentials. Use a lightweight stretch net, a 0.5 cm elastic strip, needle and strong thread. Measure your palm width and each finger length precisely, then mark those dimensions on the net so you won't waste material. Once done, cut the net slightly larger than measurements, about 1/2 cm seam allowance, so seams finish cleanly. Make sure to orient the stretch direction along the fingers. This gives mobility and keeps the glove snug without bunching. Now you form the fingers. Fold the net over each marked finger, align edges, then pin to hold. So a straight seam about 3-4 mm from the edge, backstitching at the start and end so stitches don't unravel. This creates neat finger tubes. Once all fingers are sewn, trim excess fabric and turn fingers right side out carefully. Make sure to reinforce the fingertips with an extra pass of stitching. This prevents tearing where stress concentrates when you use your hand. To finish, fold the wrist edge inward to create a hem, insert the 15-20 cm elastic, and overlap by 1.5 cm before stitching securely. This gives a snug cuff. Trim stray threads and test the fit, stretch the glove on and flex fingers to confirm mobility. If the glove is too loose, shorten elastic and resew. If seams show gaps, make sure stitches are tight. One key tip: if seams start to pull out, reinforce with a zigzag stitch or a thin line of fabric glue and press to bond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.